Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Z League number from profile mini click account setting number to top of the page under your account balance and tap the cash out button. And of course you need to identify verification, and the cash out will be require you to verify name associated with your account with valid government issued ID and through personal. If you don't know what is personal, is third party ID verification partner as with fee, and there are two fee to associated with the cash out processing and PayPal fee. The PayPal fee instituted by PayPal and VAR is based on the cash out amount at your location, and processing fee is $2. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Then don't forget like, share this video, subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks again for watching this video.